Welcome to YouTube channel Maths classes for 10th class children. Today I am going to start second chapter, that is sets. In the sets it is a first class. Still you did not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more updates about my videos. Like it and share it to your classmates and friends. Let's go to our class. Before going to our class, if you not watch my previous chapter classes, I will provide the links in the description box of playlist. You can watch my videos of real number chapters. Please complete the watch of the previous videos real numbers. After finish that, you come to watch second chapter sets videos. So let's go to the today's class. Sets, second chapter sets. What is the definition of the sets? It is very clear. The well-defined objects or ideas, the collection of well-defined objects or ideas is called sets. So I am going to write the set definition. Chapter 2 sets. Chapter 2 sets definition. The collection of well defined objects or ideas are called sets. Well defined, we have to define the set very clearly. Suppose I gave the example set of natural numbers. You know that what are the numbers are in there. Everyone knows the natural numbers are start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The counting numbers are natural numbers, we know that. So these numbers we know that. So set, how can you represent? So here we are going to use the flower brackets. Sets represented with flower brackets denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D. The sets are denoted by capital A, capital B, capital C, any capital number, English alphabets. Suppose set A is equal 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the set. This is the denoted by set. We write like this. Set అనేది ఈ విధంగా మనం రాస్తాం. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద నెంబర్స్ present in the sets, or what are objects present in the set which is called elements? 2 is the element, 4 is the element, 6 is the element, 8 also elements. These elements are separated by commas. Understood? So it is a set or not? Yes, it is a set. It is a defined set, well defined set. A is a set. How? I explain. 2, 4, 6, 8 are the what numbers are it is? Yes, these are even numbers, isn't it? Yes, these are even numbers less than 10. These are natural numbers less than 10. So how can you define this set? The set of A is a set of even numbers, even natural numbers less than 10, isn't it? Yes, it is correct. This is the set is defined well. So one more set I am going to write to B. You write very carefully these flower brackets. Some people are writing same this like only. So two brackets are here, opening here bracket and closing bracket are different. You have to write carefully. So I am going to write the elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You understood already. So how can you define this set? Yes, the natural numbers, set of natural numbers. B is a set of natural numbers, odd natural numbers less than 10. Understood? So some more examples he has given in the textbook. I am going to explain that example also. It is my own example I given in this notebook. I am going to explain the textbook example also. So what we have seen here, so we have to see in this picture. So set of teeth. How many types of sets are there? We can classify the upper and lower. Okay, upper and down we have a teeth in our mouth. So consider the whole set in a teeth two parts. How many parts? Upper, lower and upper divide into each these teeth again into left and right. So first of all we divide upper teeth and lower teeth, and it is divided again, it is divided into two parts, left and right, jaws, so that the total teeth are divided into 4 equal parts or quadrant. Dental formula is written as the number of teeth of each type of one quadrant. So here divide into quadrant. When we visit the dentist, he write the quadrant, 4 quadrants, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, upper lower ki 2, upper ki 2 parts, lower ki 2 parts. Then number teeth యొక్క నెంబరు అందులో రాయడం జరుగుతుంది. మీరు కనుక విజిట్ చేసి ఉంటే మీకు తెలుసుంటుంది. సో డెంటల్ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ written as a number of teeth each type of one quadrant in the sequence of incisors, canine, premolar and molar. How many types of teeth are there? Incisors అంటే ఇది ముందు ఉన్నాయి, canines and premorals and molars. Therefore now we can write human dental formula as 2, 1, 2, 3. This is the tell us that there are 2 scissors, 1 canine, premoral, 2 premoral, 3 morals in each quadrant. 2, 1, 2, 2 1 2 3. ఓకే, ఈ విధంగా మన టీత్ సెట్లో ఉంటాయి, కోఆర్డినేట్ సెట్లో ఉంటాయి. దస్ 8 టీత్స్ ఇన్ ద కోఆర్డినేట్. టోటల్గా ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 8 ఉన్నాయి. సో కోఆర్డినేట్ give us the rule for 32 total teeth. అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రతి ఒక్క టీత్ అనేది మనం ఖచ్చితంగా డిఫైన్ చేసుకోగలుగుతున్నాం, అంటే ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలుగుతాం. ఒక నెంబర్ రాసిండు అనుకో, ఆ నెంబర్ ఏ టీత్ ఏ కోఆర్డినేట్ అనేది మనకు తెలిసిపోతాం. సో ఆ విధంగా దాన్ని ఖచ్చితంగా, అంటే సెట్స్లో తప్పకుండా మనం ఖచ్చితంగా ప్రతి ఒక్క ఎలిమెంట్ని, అంటే అందులో ఉన్న కామన్ స్వభావాన్ని మనం ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయగలుగుతాం. సో అలాంటిదే మనం ఇక్కడ